Have you ever driven past a construction site and wondered what happens when something goes wrong with those massive machines? One moment, everything is routine, and the next, someone's life can change forever. Hi, my name is Robert Gregory, and I'm an attorney at Kelly Law Team here in Phoenix, Arizona. In this video, I want to talk to you about heavy machinery accidents on construction sites, what causes them, who may be responsible, and what your rights are if you or someone you love has been injured. Because the truth is, these accidents are often preventable, and understanding your options can make a huge difference. Dangerous construction sites are full of powerful equipment: cranes, forklifts, bulldozers, excavators. These machines are essential for getting the job done, but they also pose serious risk. When something goes wrong, the consequences can be severe. Imagine a worker guiding a crane load when suddenly the equipment malfunctions, or a forklift tips over because of uneven ground. These aren't rare scenarios. They happen more often than people think. And in a fast-moving construction environment, even a small mistake can lead to a major injury. So what actually causes these accidents? One of the biggest issues we see is operator error. That can mean inadequate training, fatigue, or even distraction. Another common factor is equipment failure. Machines need regular inspection and maintenance. If a company cuts corners, that equipment can become dangerous. We also see accidents caused by poor site management, things like lack of communication, unsafe work zones, or failure to follow OSHA safety standards. Let's say a worker is operating a backhoe, but the area isn't properly marked off. Another worker walks into the blind spot, and suddenly there's a serious accident. That's not just bad luck, that's a preventable safety failure. And sometimes it's a combination of factors, multiple mistakes stacking up until something goes wrong. Who could be held responsible? This is one of the most important questions. Who is liable? Many people assume it's just their employer, but in construction accident cases, liability can be more complex. Depending on the situation, responsibility could fall on the construction company or employer, a subcontractor, the equipment manufacturer, a maintenance company, or even a property owner. For example, if a crane collapses because of a mechanical defect, the manufacturer might be responsible. If it collapses because it was improperly assembled, that could point to a contractor or crew. In Arizona, you may also have a workers' compensation claim, but in some cases, you could pursue a third-party personal injury claim as well. That's important because it may allow you to recover more than what workers' comp alone provides. What should you do after an accident? If you're involved in a heavy machinery accident, the steps you take next matter. First, get medical attention right away, even if your injuries don't seem severe at first. Some injuries take time to fully show up. Second, report the incident to your employer or supervisor as soon as possible. If you're able, document what happened. Take photos, get names of witnesses, and note any unsafe conditions you observed. And this is key. Don't assume you know who's at fault or what your claim is worth. These cases can be complicated, and insurance companies often try to minimize payouts. Speaking with an attorney early on can help protect your rights and make sure important evidence is preserved. Here's what I want you to remember. Heavy machinery accidents are often preventable, and when they happen, there's usually a reason. Don't ignore your injuries or try to tough it out. That can hurt both your health and your case. Avoid giving recorded statements to insurance companies without understanding your rights. And most importantly, understand that you may have more than one path to compensation, especially if a third party was involved. Every construction accident is different. The details matter, and having the right guidance can make all the difference in how your case turns out. Again, I'm Robert Gregory, an attorney at Kelly Law Team, and I want to thank you so much for watching. If you or a loved one needs legal help with a pedestrian accident, please call us at Kelly Law Team. We're here to help.